PDP governors reaffirm commitment to unity, pledge renewed hope for Nigerians. Governors from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, have once again expressed their dedication to national unity, emphasizing their determination to foster a sense of hope and progress for all Nigerians. In a statement issued during a recent meeting, the PDP governors reaffirmed their commitment to working together for the benefit of the country, emphasizing the importance of inclusive governance, cooperation among states, and an unwavering focus on the welfare of the Nigerian people. The PDP governors' meeting underscored the party's continued belief in the strength of unity, particularly in the face of Nigeria's current socio-economic and political challenges. They made it clear that, regardless of political differences, the focus would remain on the collective progress of the nation. "We are all united by the common goal of ensuring a better and more prosperous Nigeria for our citizens," said Governor Afani Ugwani of Enugu State. As the country heads into future elections and continues to grapple with pressing issues, the PDP governors are determined to show leadership and provide the kind of hope that Nigerians need in these uncertain times.